गुड इव्हनिंग स्टुडंट्स, सर्व विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत द 12th chapter, equations with one variable. The meaning of this chapter is that equations means left hand side and right hand side with one variable. Variable means letter used for expressing the any words in the mathematical form. Here x plus 4 is equal to 10. This is a equations with one variable. Variable is here x and plus 4 and 10 are the numbers. Why it is called equations? Because equal sign is present. To the equal sign, left hand side x plus 4, it is algebraic expression, is equal to 10. Then that means the value of x, we are calculating the value of x, that is equal to, when adding to the 4 we get the answer 10. That we have to calculate. For this we can calculate orally by asking a question to this x plus 4 is equal to 10. We can ask them as a how many we have to add to 4 we get a, or which number we are adding to 4 we get a 10. Answer is 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Here x is equal to 6 is the solution. That means answer in the, for solving the, after solving the equation is called the solution of that equations with one variable. We can transfer this plus 4 towards the right side, that is towards the number 10. We can transfer plus 4 towards 10. 10 is already present in the right hand side and plus 4 is converted to the minus 4 after transferring. In the 6th standard we learnt about that equalities of that operations, equalities in operations. Therefore x is equal to 10 minus 4, that is 6 is the answer. Therefore here we can calculate orally and also by mathematically. Also see one more example. P minus 4 is equal to 15. In this example, what we have to do here, which number, from which number 4 is subtracted to get a 15. Which number? Here answer is 19. See how it is, the solution of this equation is a 19. P minus 4 becomes, after transferring towards the right hand side, minus 4 is a plus 4. 15 plus 4. Therefore P is equal to 19. When we are putting here 19 instead of P, 19 minus 4 is a 15. We can check the answer by putting the values of variable. In this chapter we can solve these types of equations in a practice set. 12.1. Question 1. Solve. Here first equation is that x plus 4 is equal to 13. We can solve this by transferring towards the right hand side. Here variable used is a x. Then we transfer plus 4 towards the number 13. First we can write x plus 4 is equal to 13 again. 13 plus 4 is converted as a minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to 13 minus 4. It is 9. Therefore, solution of this equation. Solve means solva. And solution means answer of this equation is a 9. Again, we can solve another example, that is p minus 9 is equal to 20. P minus 9 is equal to 20 can be solved by minus 9. We have to transfer towards right hand side, that is towards the 20. 20 plus 9. The signs are changed because of transferring the numbers to the opposite side of equal sign. P is equal to 20 plus 9, 29. That means the solution of this P minus 9 is equal to 20 is a P is equal to 29. Let us see here in a 6th standard how it is possible x plus 4 is equal to 13. In 6th standard we learnt about that equalities in operations. See here plus 4's opposite number is a minus 4. In a 6th standard we are plus adding or subtracting here minus 4 to the left hand side and right hand side. Here x 4 and 4 cancel because plus 4 and minus 4 is a 0 and 13 minus 4 is a 9. That's why its answer x is equal to 9. And here 8th standard we can directly transfer plus 4 towards the right hand side and plus 4 is converted as a minus 4. In 6th standard we are subtracting both sides minus 4 and minus 4, but in 8th standard we directly transfer plus 4 to the minus 4, and here also minus 9 is a plus 9. Let us solve some another examples. See here, next example is that 2m plus 4 is equal to 14. 2m plus 4 is equal to 14. Here 2m plus 4 is equal to 14. In this example, plus 4 we can transfer plus 4 towards the right side. First operation, that is plus 4 opposite to the minus 4. It is converted to the plus 4 is converted as the minus 4. Therefore 2m is equal to 14 minus 4 is a 10. Here in between 2 and m multiplication sign is there because 2 is the coefficient of m. Into 2 becomes divided by 2, because multiplication and division are the opposite operation. After transferring into 2 it becomes divided by 2, and 10 is already present in the right hand side. Therefore we can take a reduced form of it. 2 and 10 both are in the table of 2, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Therefore m is equal to 5 is the final answer. We can put m in the given equation and check it is our answer is correct or not. Let us see here. Put m is equal to 5 is the answer. In 2m plus 4 is equal to 14, we get a 2. Here into sign is there, that means we can write here in a bracket 2 into bracket 5 plus 4 is equal to 14. 2 5s are 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 10 plus 4, 14 is equal to 14. That means here, after putting the m is equal to 5 in a given equation, the our left hand side and right hand side of a given equations with one variable are equal. Therefore, this m is equal to 5 is the solution of 2m plus 4 is equal to 14. Let us see one another example. See here. Another example. 4p minus 9 is equal to 19. Therefore, we can write as a 4p minus 9 is equal to 19. Therefore, minus 9 we have to transfer towards right hand side. Minus 9s, after transporting, it will convert into which number? It is a plus 9. 19 plus 9. 4p is equal to 19 plus 9, 28. We can ask the question again. Before we are asking the question that we were asking the question 4 into p is equal to 28. 4 into how many? We get a 28. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. That means 7 is the answer. But here into 4 becomes divided by 4. Therefore, p is equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28. P is equal to 7 is the solution of given equation 4p minus 9 is equal to 19. Then last equation, that is very important one, we can find the answers of it. 5m plus 10 upon 9 is equal to 5m plus 10 upon 5 is equal to 8. Here we can again write down the given equation. 8 means 8 upon 1. Here we can solve by different methods. This equation is solved by different methods. First method is that multiply, that is a cross multiplication. 5m plus 10 is multiplied by 1. That means 1 inside bracket 5m plus 10. That means here multiplication is there. And 5m plus 10 is multiplied by 1. And 8 is multiplied by the denominator 5. Therefore, we know that 1 into 5m, 1 5s are 5m plus 1 10s are 10, 8 5s are 40. This equation again converted into the previous equation. We can solve easily by transferring the numbers towards the right hand side. 5m is equal to 40 minus 10. Therefore, 5m is equal to 40 minus 10. It is 30. Here into 5 is there. Into 5 becomes divided by 5. Therefore, 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. M is equal to 6 is the answer of a given linear equations with one variable. And also we can solve the different types of equations. See one more example. Here when we are putting the value 6, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 upon 5, that is a 5 8s are 40. That means our answer is correct. After checking that, we can solve another example. 9y plus 8, 9y plus 8 divided by 3 is equal to, see here, right, 9y is equal to 30 upon 2. See here, again we can multiply, there is a cross multiplication, or first here we can take a reduced form of it, 30 is divided by 2, or take a cross multiplication. Here 9y plus 9 upon 3 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are, that is 15 upon 1, cross multiplication. 1 is multiplied by 9y plus 9 is equal to 15 into 3. Therefore 1 into 9y, 9y plus 1 9s are 9, 15 3s are 45. 9y is equal to, plus 9 becomes minus 9. 9y is equal to, here 36, into 9 becomes divided by 9, that is y is equal to 4. This is the solution of given equation. Let us see one more example, that is 8x plus 8 divided by 8x plus 8 divided by, here 8 is equal to 15 upon 5. You can cross multiply 5 into bracket 8x plus 8, 15 into 8, 5 8s are 40x plus 5 8s are 40 equal to 15 8s are 120. 40x 120 plus 40 becomes minus 40, and what will happen? 40x is equal to, here 80 into 40 becomes divided by 40. X is equal to 2 is the solution of given equation. In this, so from this solving the equations, we can here assume that, or here we can see plus 10 becomes minus 10, and here minus 9 becomes plus 9, into 9 becomes divided by 9, into 40 becomes divided by 40, and divided by 2 becomes into 2. And here practice set 12.1 is finished. Students, we are solving here practice set 12.1 in your notebook, and if any queries, then ask me in a chat box, and also on Monday 11 to 2 at our school. Thank you.